wewe mwenyewe umekubali kama usifikiria. Mzee kabisa.
Bryson. This is a shamba. Nachukua picha. This is the big fire you can see here. We try to put here so you can do the things. The fire, big fire. You can imagine it. We try to put the things together. Yeah, this big fire. This is big fire. We try to put the things here in the fire to burn the things in here. So we can have a big farm here. Yes, we are also trying to see if we can cut the trees. Here the people, they are busy to cut the trees. My friend.
Okay.
My friend here, yuko busy kweli kweli. Na kuambia yuko kazi na mbombo kabisa. Wanakiando pale yuko busy na yeye, lakini mambo yanaenda. Kuna kurudi nyuma. Asanteni sana wapendo kwa kusikiliza hivi. Yeah. Thank you Bryson for the wonderful things here. Good picture.